I'm Professor Mukhtar, Vice Chancellor, National Skills University Islamabad, and today I'm going to talk about skills education. So let's first find out what is skill. Skill is the capacity and capability to perform a task assigned or obligated in an effective and professional manner. There are several components of skill. However, the most important are knowledge that is acquired through learning process, capability and willingness to apply that knowledge someone has acquired, and the third one is performing the job or task assigned in a highly professional way. We will talk about the capability and willingness to apply knowledge or doing the task or taking action. So, acquisition of theoretical knowledge, majority of the higher education institute in the world are doing this task. However, about the utilization of theoretical knowledge in practical terms, very few universities do this task, and if it is done, it's most of the time it's a partial. Then is employing cognitive and physical capabilities, and better utilization of cognitive capabilities bring excellence in skill education. In describing skill education, I mentioned two words, cognitive and physical capabilities. So let's talk about them also. So physical is tools and equipment used in performing a task. And as far as cognitive capabilities are concerned, they are thinking, planning, consulting, questioning, decision making, removing obstacle, problem solving, and evaluating the finished product in a way that whatsoever you conceive has accomplished or not. So, if we consider all these, then it's quite obvious that skill-based education is more comprehensive in nature than going into the school and just getting the education. Elaborating more on the beauty and value of skill education, one can easily conclude that in skill education, completion of each task add experience and value to an individual expertise. The outcome of skill-based education is that completion of a task in an effective manner or doing the job perfectly. And skill always keep improving, and this one is called as education empowerment. So every time you do a task or you do a job, you are enhancing your skill education. Factors associated with implementation of skill educational practices are social and psychological. So if an institution is imparting skill education, they have to be very careful in producing the graduate who are socially and psychologically sound and good, because these two factors overall decide the positive as well as negative outcome from a person who is getting a skill education. So I will humbly request the academic leaders to exercise self-questioning that are we providing education that create job skills among learners. Second one is level of physical and cognitive capabilities among graduates. And the third one is social and psychological eligibility of our graduate to face the realities of workplace. So it's a time to change academic architecture, and skills education is the future of this world.